you tired of rent and dreaming of owning your own space in Lagos, Nigeria, away from the hustle and bustle of Lagos? Then welcome to Arámidẹ Bungalow here in Ayetoro scheme, Ibeju-Lekki, the closest to the proposed airport, the Dangote refinery, the deep sea port. We are just facing the Lekki-Epe Expressway. Check out the interior finishings. Check out the brick walls. This is self-sustainable. This is eco-friendly. You know, this is, luxury at its peak. So do not sleep on Arámidẹ Bungalow. It's with just 3 million naira initial deposit, you kickstart your investment journey here. These are 3-bedroom, fully detached bungalows here in
Itunu residential.
More precious today. Let's kickstart your investment journey. See you in my next video. Bye bye.